Hey there.
Let's create a connection and enjoy the ride. Come join us here at Open Minds.
But now my tummy's beginning to rumble. My favorite food is Gruffalo Crumble. Gruffalo Crumble, the Gruffalo said, and quick as the wind he turned and fled. Hello! Today we are going to make Gruffalo Crumble. It sounds terrible, but it's really delicious. It's got apples, blackberries, cinnamon, sugar, and oats in it. Of course, I will show you the ingredients now. Please prepare the ingredients, 2 bowls. Turn the oven on to 180 degrees and let's start cooking. Now let's turn the oven on to 180 degrees. Peel the apples. Peel the apples. Chop the apples into small cubes. Now add the blackberries. Mix the blackberries and chopped apples with the cinnamon, powdered sugar, and apple juice. Now put the fruit mixture in the baking dish. Chop the butter into cubes. Add the flour to the butter. Mix the flour and butter together with your hand to create the crumble. Add the brown sugar. Add the oats. The crumble is ready. Put the crumble on top of the fruit mixture. If you like, put some blackberries on top. Now put the Gruffalo Crumble in the oven for 40 minutes. The crumble is ready. Bye-bye, children. I'm going to eat the crumble. It's delicious.